From tropical farms to giant factories, every chocolate bar takes an incredible journey. Today we'll explore how cocoa becomes the world's favorite treat. It all begins in the tropics. Cocoa trees grow only in warm, humid regions near the equator. Each colorful pod holds dozens of cocoa beans, surrounded by sweet white pulp. Farmers carefully harvest the pods and split them open by hand. Revealing the seeds that will one day become chocolate. Fresh cocoa beans taste nothing like chocolate. To develop their rich aroma, they must ferment for several days. Farmers place the beans in wooden boxes, or cover them with banana leaves, allowing natural microbes to do their work. After fermentation, the beans are spread out under the sun to dry, slowly transforming into the familiar smell of cocoa. In the factory, the journey continues. The dried beans are roasted at high temperatures, unlocking deep chocolate flavors. Next, the brittle shells are cracked open, leaving behind the cocoa nibs. These tiny pieces are the true heart of chocolate. The nibs are ground into a thick, dark paste called cocoa mass. On its own, it's bitter and intense. To create smooth, sweet chocolate, it is blended with sugar, milk powder, and extra cocoa butter. Each brand uses its own secret recipe, giving every chocolate bar its unique taste. One of the most crucial steps is for hours, giant machines knead the chocolate, breaking down particles to less than 30 microns. This is what makes chocolate silky, creamy, and irresistible. To set properly, chocolate must be tempered. By carefully cooling and reheating, the crystals in cocoa butter align perfectly. The liquid chocolate is poured into molds and cooled, forming shiny bars with a satisfying snap. Finally, the finished bars are wrapped in colorful packaging and shipped around the world. Billions of chocolate bars are enjoyed every year, making it one of the most beloved treats on the planet. From a humble seat in the tropics to a sweet moment of joy in your hands, every chocolate bar carries a story of art, science, and passion. Next time you take a bite, remember the incredible journey behind it. This is FactoryCore, and we'll continue to explore the world's most fascinating production lines. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible industry secrets.